The UGC NET retest for 3 subjects will be held on September 9th and 10th, the National Testing Agency has announced. The subjects are English, Sociology and Commerce. Candidates will not have to pay any additional fee. The NTA has also said that the retest will not reduce the number of qualifying candidates or subject-wise allocations. The announcement comes as the government steps up reforms at the NTA following recent examination-related concerns. The Education Ministry said the agency has removed more than 50 staff members and is bringing in professionals for key leadership roles. Education Minister Prahlad Joshi reviewed the reforms with senior officials including the Higher Education Secretary and NTA Director General. The ministry said 10 new professional leadership positions are being filled. These include a Chief Technology Officer, Chief Finance Officer, Chief Information Security Officer, General Manager for Test Security and General Manager for Research and Development and Psychometrics. The NTA said the changes are aimed at ensuring a fair, accurate and error-free exam system. It added that internal processes and protocols are being reviewed to prevent similar issues in the future.